I'm sad because I don't have hot sauce. I made some chicken. We usually have everything. We usually have oil. So the problem first started was I was making chicken and then we didn't have any oil. So I used olive oil. You're not supposed to use olive oil, but you use what you have, right? And then I made the chicken. And I always use hot sauce. And we don't have hot sauce. And then I didn't know. I was like, okay, I'm gonna make barbecue sauce, barbecue chicken. So I'm gonna make barbecue sauce and honey to make it taste like honey barbecue sauce. But I put it in the microwave, and thank God it was done when it was, because part of the plate was black. Apparently, you can't put barbecue sauce in the microwave. But I guess I have no hot sauce. See, I made 3 barbecue chickens. It smells good though. Not very. By the way. I went to a soup kitchen today, and it was sad. I saw, like, I saw a guy there with like, I think it was his daughter. I don't know. He had like a little girl. She had to be like 2 or 3. I don't know. She was so cute. I wanted to just take her. I was like, snatch. Okay, let me joke. But she was so cute. I just wanted to take her home, give her a hug, give her food, and take care of her. Okay, that's not mad creepy. But she was so cute. It was for my class. I'm taking like a sociology, social problem class thing. And we had to go to a soup kitchen for 15 hours. First time I heard it, I was like, well, it didn't have to be a soup kitchen. It could be a soup kitchen, I can't pronounce it. Emergation. I can't say that word from life. I don't know. I stuttered saying it. Well, one of those warehouses where they keep them because they're trying to make them go back to the country, which is really rude. Because on their immigration warehouse, yeah, or like the food pantry, I think. But I didn't really look up. I didn't. What was I saying? I paused it. I paused you guys and I forgot what I was saying. I'm talking about the soup kitchen thing. So I didn't even look at. I wasn't even thinking about the other options because I always want to go to a soup kitchen, but not like for school. Because every time you hear things on TV and they're like in the shows, they're like, you need to take your kids to a soup kitchen because you're trying to make your kid appreciate life and stuff. I don't know. I just when I heard soup kitchen, I always always wanted to go to one. But I didn't want to go by myself. Not for school. Well, it was either that or we do a research paper. I'm sorry. No, thank you. So, first time I went, I was supposed to take my friend with me, but she was sick, so she basically bailed on me. And I was nervous as heck. I was like, oh my god. But I ended up writing this research paper because I can't do it. But first of all, I thought it'd be bigger, like the building. It was small. It was like a hall, like when you rent a hall for like a party. I felt like it was like that. And then it was like tables everywhere. But I was talking about this soup kitchen. They basically do pretty much the same thing. So you can either, at least the soup kitchen I went to, you can either give out tickets. One ticket, they have to sign, first they have to sign in, and then they give a ticket, you give a ticket to a person that's going to eat. But I'm trying to figure out why they give them a ticket, because the food's free, so like, why they need a ticket? What do they do? But anyway, then they pick random people. I mean, they don't, like, you don't, like, have an option to do what job you do, whatever the person gives you. And so, I did give out tickets 3 times. Not 3 times in a row, but, like, 3 times I went there. Because I went there, like, 5 times. And the 3rd time was the time I did a ticket. Actually, not the 3rd time. I don't remember what time. The 1st time I did the ticket, and then there was another time. And then today. So you can either do that, or, you wrap utensils in a napkin, or you usually give that to, like, children that volunteer. Because a lot of teenagers volunteer, or, like, I think I've seen some 11-year-olds ones. And, or there's some people that wash dishes and dishwasher thing. They don't even wash the dishes. They put it in the dishwasher, and it basically washes it. Like, dishwasher. But their dishwasher is, like, huge. It's not like a normal dishwasher. But anyway. Or you go in the back and help chop food up with chef. And I cut onions for like 2 seconds once because I let him start crying. And he told me I didn't know. He said I wasn't cutting it right, so he told me to do something else. Then I peeled carrots. That was fun. And I gave out soup. Okay, I'm gonna try to remember a different. First, I did the tickets. I'm pretty sure the second day, I served soup. 3rd time, I'm pretty sure I cut the cards and stuff. And then the 3rd day, I did texting. And the 4th day, okay, I don't remember the order now. I don't remember what I did. But, but there was one day I did do the utensils. And, yeah. But the first time I went there, when I was nervous, I don't know, it was not, it didn't look like how I imagined. Maybe because it's a small place, they had no room to be organized. But, like, I don't know, I'm crazy, because I pictured, like, I was at a hotel, well, not a hotel, but, like, how someone's behind a counter, Okay, maybe not account. Okay, let me change that. I pictured not even a hotel. I pictured like you had to sign in because you have to volunteer online. So I thought somebody was gonna be standing by the like where the booklet was to sign in. There was no one standing by the booklet. You just go and sign in. They don't even know if you really signed in, if you was actually one person that volunteered online. Because technically you're supposed to sign up online. And yeah, so I don't even know because they just say go to the book and sign in. And then when you're doing the ticket thing, not even when you're doing ticket day, I thought there'll be like security, so just in case one of the people that's eating it want to fight. I don't know. And there was no cops in there, unless they undercover cops somehow. Eating, could be. But and I thought it'd be like way bigger than looking like a hole. And people that eat there seem nice. I mean, I didn't talk to them, but like, I'm judging them by looking at them when they're just on paper. They didn't seem like assholes. They didn't seem like assholes, so I feel like the people that work there weren't just like they serve the food, so they close at 7. They don't start. I don't understand this. They be closing at 7, but they start serving food at 6, and then they expect them to all be out at 7. So they basically only have an hour to eat. And they start serving at 6. So if you went back in line, you might not got your food till 6:30, and then you got half an hour to eat. How you gonna close the place an hour before you give your food out? Like, you should give the food out at 3 o'clock. Like, I come there at 4. I came there at 4. They should have been serving food from 4 all the way up to 6:50. It's freaking soup kitchen. Just saying. It was 7. He was like, kitchen has closed. And then I was like, he's like, dining room is full. Anyway, if I had a grade this kitchen, I'd give it a 83. Actually, I give it a 70 for the lack of organized. I'm not sure lack of organized. I mean, is that actually in this? I don't remember. I don't think so. Sorry, I'm chewing it. The lack of being organized, like, it seems like you come and they don't know exactly what they want each person to do. You come and then they're like, maybe you do this, maybe you do that. They're not like, they don't have a set thing that they want you to do. You do as they think of. You do whatever they think of as they do. It's like being at home in the kitchen with your family and they're cooking. And they're like, maybe you could do this, maybe you could do this. They're not like, they don't have a plan. Like, they're doing it on the go. If that makes sense. Well, you know people are coming to Valentine. You shouldn't have an idea of what you want each person to do when you get there. you should make sure you know if they actually signed up. Because now imagine if I brought like 10 people and said they all signed up, but they didn't really. We all gonna be standing there looking at each other because we're gonna have nothing to do. And I sure think today there was more people than they expected. I mean, it's good. You're helping, but just to have a plan of what everyone's gonna do. Oh, there was a time I was sitting in the kitchen, just standing there, cause there was a time me and this other guy was just standing there, cause we didn't know what to do. And they're like, okay, who still needs something to do? I'm like, we're like, no, we didn't say, we said us. And then we didn't even know what for us to do. And then I saw the guy getting a ticket, but I was like, please tell me to go give a ticket, because I was sitting in the kitchen just staring at other people chopping food, and it was so awkward. And I was like, but luckily the people that were in the kitchen were nice. The guy was like, this guy was like, my name is Will, by the way. I was like, my name is Ariana. I'm gonna start talking now.